When you open up your voice clarifying TV or soundbar, the first thing you'll see is the manual, which we're going to move out of the way, and then we can see the parts of the system underneath. To begin with, we have the soundbar. This is the device that you're going to be hooking up to your television and will put out sound that everyone in the room can hear. After that, we can look at this small white box. This is where all the connections and the remote are for your system. First of all, we have the remote control. This is what you'll use to control the soundbar from across the room. We also have the connections for the soundbar, starting with the white and red RCA analog audio cord. This is used if your TV has two round holes on the back of it for its audio out. We also have this cord that's black on both ends. This is our 3.5mm analog audio cord, used if the TV has a single round hole for the audio out. We also have an optical digital audio cable. This is the cable most newer televisions will use, and in most cases is probably how you'll hook up the soundbar. Finally, we have the AC adapter or power cord, which you'll use to hook up to electricity. Now to install the soundbar, first we need to connect it to electricity. If we look on the back of the soundbar, we can see several connections here in the center. The one on the left, the DC in, is where we'll plug in this, our AC adapter. The smaller end is going to connect into that DC in hole, and then the opposite side we can take behind and plug it into the electrical outlet. After that, we need to plug into the TV. But to figure out how to do that best, we're going to need to take a look at the TV first. To find where to plug your soundbar into, we need to identify what says out on the back of your television. If you have one of these small single round holes for the audio out, we'll need to use the 3.5mm analog audio cord, the one with this black plug on both ends. If you have a pair of white and red holes instead, we'll need to use the RCA analog cord. That's this one with the white and red holes. If you have a square-shaped hole with a cover over it, you'll need to use your digital optical cable like this. Now keep in mind, if you're using either of the analog connections, you want to put that in the analog hole of the soundbar, not into the optical or transmitter holes. Once that's connected, we should be all set, and if you need any further help, please let us know.